Mrityunjay Tiwari. Today we are going to present a video on creating professional presentation and presenting presentation on Impress. Before this, we have seen 2 or 3 videos on this topic. Now our topic is on slideshow. Our first question is what is slideshow? Slideshow is a presentation presented to the audience in full screen mode, where slides appear one after another. This is called slideshow. How to go on the slideshow option? The method is choose the view menu, slideshow, slideshow setting. The slideshow dialog box will be appear. From dialog box, we can customize our setting and we can make our setting according to us. This figure is the dialog box figure of slideshow. Here he is showing the range all slides from and customize slide. If we have make a presentation of 20 slides, we will select all slide. And if we want to make an individual slide or two individual slide, then we will be to the customized slide. Here the type is selected automatic and options are given here. We can customize according to you. Now there are few important notes that we have to remember. First, we can navigate in presentation by using arrow key and mouse. To move next slide, we use down, oblique, right. Either you have to press down or right key. To move back to the presentation slide, we use up arrow, oblique, left arrow key. For coming back to the normal screen mode, we have to press the escape key. Hiding slide so that they don't be appear in the slideshow. We may not want to show all the slide in a particular show. We can either hide some of the slide or set up a custom which slideshow, which method is best depend on your need. For example, we have to draft slide that we will show when they are finished, or we may have some slide that contains information for ourselves, not our audience. The method to hide the slide is in the slide pane or in slide sorter view, select the slide that we want to hide. This is the first step. In the slide pane or slide sorter view, select the slide that we want to hide. Number second, click the slide show oblique hide slide icon on the slide view toolbar or choose the slide show. Then slide show hide, click on the slide show hide. The slide number is now hide. Suppose you have select third slide, the third slide number is hide. The show is to show the hidden slide in slide pane. What we have to perform in the slide pane or in the slide sorter view, select the hidden slide that we want to show. Number second, click on show or hide. Matlab same button. We can say that the same button. This is the toggle key. Pressing one time, it make the hide, and another time it make it unhide. On the slide view toolbar, choose the slide show, then show, hide slide, and we will be show or hide slide according to our need. Inserting field. Field has some important role. Suppose we want to insert slide number in our presentation. Suppose we want to insert time and date in our slide number. We can insert such type of the field in our slide number to make it attractive. We can add slide number to the slide in the presentation. We can also add various fields like header, footer, slide number, date and time. How to add this field? A step to insert header and footer. Choose view menu, select header and footer option. Click on apply or apply to all from the dialog box. We can apply on an individual slide. For that, we have to click on the apply, and we will be apply on the whole slide of the presentation. For that, apply all, we have to select the apply all from the dialog box. Step number 2, a step to insert date and time. Click on insert menu bar, click on field from the appear drop down menu, select the desired field like date fix, date variable, time fix, time variable, and click on it. Okay, that particular format of the date and time will be inserted in our slide. Inserting slide number. A step to insert slide number. Click on the view menu, select header and footer option, select the slide number. Header and footer option. In header and footer option, the slide number is an option. And if we select the slide number will be automatically placed on the slide, on our slide. This is a picture that show that from where we can enter in the slide, and these are the picture of inserting date and time fixed, date and time variable, header, footer, time, etc. So from this menu, insert menu, slideshow menu, we can insert it. This is another picture, view, header and footer. From header and footer, we can insert a header for the slide, and we can insert a footer from our particular slide of the presentation. Next, slide transition. What is slide transition? OpenOffice Impress allow us to add transition between the slides of our presentation. Click the slide transition tab in the task pane. Select the slide that we want to apply a transition. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the slide in our presentation. Slide transition. What is slide transition? Slide transition are animation effects that are applied to whole slide, whereas animation effects are applied to the object of the slide like text, shape, picture, etc. on a slide. For a slide, we can have only one transition effect, while each object on the slide can have multiple animation effects. Transition effect appear in the PowerPoint slideshow view when slide change from one to the next. Like animation effect, we can control the speed of each slide transition effect, and we can also add music, sound, etc. Video below shown help you to understand the difference. Difference between transition and effect animation means custom animation. Transition can be changed only when two states. Animation can change over many states. Transition control how our presentation moves from one slide to next. Animation control how object move on to off and around our slide. Slide transitions are animation effects that are applied to the whole slide. Animation effects are applied on the object, text, shape, picture on a slide. For a slide, we can have only one transition effect. Each object on the slide have a multiple animation effect. So this is the basic difference of the transition effect and custom animation, a slide effect. Slide transition. Slide transition is the fourth icon of the slide menu bar. Slide menu bar, it has 56 way to transit the slide. There are 56 options. There are 56 options available to transit a slide. Slide can be modified using two options, a speed and sound. The default speed of a slide transit is set to medium and the sound is set to be none. A speed has three setting options, slow, medium and fast. You can choose slow option where the movement occurs slow, medium, it is mediocre path, and the number third is fast. In this transition occur very fastly. For sound open, Office provide 38 different settings. For sound, there are 38 settings available in our OpenOffice Impress to choose. Each slide can be set to have a different setting for the type of the slide transition, a speed modification and sound modification. Advanced slide option. Advanced slide option in slide transition has option to change the field progressively. Using two options, click the first option, change a slide by a clicking of the mouse. First we have to change is by clicking on the mouse. And the second option offer time frame, that is known as automatically change by the time of the slide. Time. Suppose we have fixed the time of 1 minute. After 1 minute, the transition will be automatically changed. This is the picture of the slide transition dialog box. Here, slide transition dialog box. Apply to select effect. The effects are given in this box. Modify transition medium, fast, slow. We can choose here. Sound, no sound is opted here. We can choose a sound from any. Advanced slide effect. We can choose on the mouse click and automatic after 3 seconds or 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Apply to all or apply to slide, and we can click on the play or slideshow. We can see the slide effect, slide transition effect from here. Running the slideshow means our presentation is complete. We have applied the transition effect, and now we want to run the slideshow. To run the slideshow, do the following action. Click on the slideshow. Go to the slideshow from the view menu, slideshow or the main menu bar. Click the slideshow button on the present toolbar or the slide sorter toolbar. Clear? Press F5 or F9. We can also use to press F5 or F9 to play the slide show. If the slide transition is automatically after X second, suppose we have fixed a slide transition after 3 seconds, that here X denote the 3 seconds. Let the slide show run by itself. If the slide transition is on the mouse click, do one of the following to move from one slide to the next slide. We can use arrow key on the keyboard to go to the next slide or go to the back slide or previous slide. Click mouse button to the advance to the next slide. Press the escape bar, space bar on the keyboard to advance to the next slide. When we advance past the last slide, the message click to exit present appears. Click the mouse or press a key to exit the presentation. To exit the presentation, so at any time, including the end, press escape key. We can also use escape key and we can exit from the presentation. Introducing Impress 27, the end. Now we have covered this topic. In our next show, we will see the advanced option of slide custom animation. Thank you for watching this video.